Hey, kids! I am Pink Bob, your best friend. Come and have fun with me.
Hi, friends! Let's see what the school objects are. Let's start. Look at the board. This is a blackboard. I can write on it. Let's learn together. Look, everyone, this is a chalk piece. We use chalk to write on the board. This is chalk. I am going to sit. This is a chair. I sit on the chair to learn. I like my chair. This is crayons. We use crayons to color pictures. Look, I am coloring it. Good. My colors. Color palette. I paint here. Nice colors. What's this?
It's a diary for you.
My diary? I'll keep it. It's mine. This is my desk. I write here. I am writing. My desk! Look at the board! This is a duster. I can clean the board. Now it is clean. This is an eraser. We use an eraser to erase. Look, good! Craft time! Glue stick! I stick shapes. Done! Yay! This is a lunchbox, right? I have yummy food inside. Let's eat together. This is a marker. We use a marker to highlight. Look, I am highlighting it. Good! This is a notebook. We write in a notebook. Look, I am writing ABC. Good! I will paint. Paintbrush. I paint now. Nice brush. I am ready for class. This is a pencil box. I use it for writing. Ready to learn. This is a pencil. We can write using pencil. I'm writing ABC. Good. I am coming to class. This is my school bag. I keep my things inside. Ready for class. I will cut. These are scissors. I cut paper. I am done. I am ready to write. This is a sharpener. I am sharpening my pencil. Now I can write. Lunchtime. This is a spoon. Tasty food. I will read. This is a storybook. I read stories. I like stories. I feel thirsty. This is my water bottle. I am drinking water. Better. Look here. This is a whiteboard. I write here. Nice board.
Hey guys, please subscribe for more videos.